Cat 26 here for Just Do the Tips and Repairs, and we're in a browser now on the internet in Safari, and we want to do a copy and paste of this text right here. So you hold your finger down, you get a little box. See that little box there? You just want to expand it, okay, like that. Bring it over. Those dots move the lines, and then bring it down like this, okay. So you got all that in the blue that you can copy. See, it already says copy up here. You copy that, okay. You go to the home button. You go to your text, and you go to the field, and you want to paste it in, and right there. And I hope you can see this. And then you send it. Okay. So that's how you do a copy of text in a browser if you want to send some information to a friend or somebody. And I hope this helps you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.